Hello Stamper, welcome to French's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today, tip of the day, I think that many people are going to find it very helpful. It seemed at one time or the other, we're going to ink our ink pad with the wrong color. I just got an email about it and I thought I had a video and I don't. So I'm going to share with you something that's going to help you maybe stop doing it. But this is the old ink pad here, so you see they flip this way, or you get the new one. So it doesn't matter which one it is, it's the same way. So the new one, we get that extra tab to put right there for the color, so that's going to help a lot. If you get the old pad, you still can do that. In the back of it, you get those extra color there. It doesn't matter the language, just pull one of them and pull that up, and then I'm going to get my scissors, because you have to cut it in two because you get that little dent there. So I just cut it in two and put it right there. So that's the old, oops, maybe a little bit more there. Let me pull that up again. I know you get the jig of it, but let me remove a little bit. Here we go. And most of them I had done them on mine, some of them I didn't. But trust me, I did this more than once, putting the wrong ink color. So you didn't ruin your stamp set. I would try to put it straight, but you get the jig of it, okay? So now, you get this, but a lot of time when they're open, you see they look very similar, the pad. Oops, when it's dark color. You can do that also with light color, it doesn't matter. I got Inland Indigo and this is Wisteria. So let's show the difference. Let me bring a few pieces of paper here. So I got my old star here. So you see Wisteria. Now I'm going to take my blue ink. Let's say you had two and you ink that. Oops, I got even some on my desk here. A little bit of cleaner. See it come right off. Okay, so now you come and I would spread it. I won't spread it because this is going to be easier for the video. But you see now I get the blue. You can see very well I get the blue. Oops. So what you're going to do is take paper towel and fold that in a few pieces and bring that on. And you're going to remove almost all, oops, I'm off the camera here. You know what? Let me push that up here. Here we go. So now you're going to remove almost all the ink. See? And yes, you're going to lose a lot of your original ink, but that's the only way you're going to be able to do that. So it's a lot cheaper to remove the ink there than buying a new ink pad. And I still can do a few spots here. And you see the dots, that's where it was re-inked. So now I still see some dots. So what I'm going to do is come back and really tap it this way, where I had all the... So now I can see the dots are pretty much gone on my thing. So Wisteria and Inland Indigo, it's a big difference in the color. So let's see how this is going to work. So you would keep on tapping really till you get pretty much all that blue ink out. Maybe you think, well, I'm pushing it harder, but really a paper towel absorbs a lot. So now let's see what we get when we stamp. Let me wash my stamp so I don't take the blue there. And voila! Now I got back my Wisteria window. No more blue there. So then really I would have to re-ink with Wisteria. Let me grab that. And I know that some people use a plastic spoon, some people use I don't know. Don't use a credit card. I heard people using a credit card. I say no, no. Credit card, it's sharp at the edge, so don't use a credit card. I like to use a bone folder. People say, well, your bone folder all look whatever, like black and that. That's perfectly fine for me. I say the more my product look used, and that means I use them. This one get a lot of loving. I don't call that ruin. I call that get some loving on it. That's it. I know some people that drive you nuts. Well, then don't use that. Use a plastic spoon. But now, let's try that again. For me, that worked perfect. It's a tool that I get always here, and it worked. And then, voila. See? All wisteria. And here, see, I had the blue. See all my blue there? So that is it. How to fix your ink pad if you ink with the wrong color. Again, the old color, you should have this in the back because one of them go in the front for your color, but you get the different language. So if you put one inside, that's going to work perfectly. And then the new ink pad, you get one without words to put right there. Me, I put my English there, and I put another language in the back. So it doesn't matter which way it faces the table, we see it. So that is it for my tip of the day. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.